So today's video we are making a body scrub bar. This is the first time I'm actually making this kind of recipe, a body scrub bar. Okay, so we are going to making a conditioning body scrub bar. Start off with our ingredients that we need to melt. We're making 100 grams batch of this. So we need 80 grams of cetyl alcohol, 15 grams of shea butter, 5 grams of sweet almond oil. So we're going to melt these ingredients together, come back, and then add our SCI and our SLSA. Okay, so we've got everything melted. So now we're going to go in and add our SLSA. To SLSA we need 30 grams. Now we need 10 grams of SCI. So we need to mix this together until it's nice and combined. And if you find that the clumps are not going, just take it back and place it in the water bath, and that should help speed up that process. So just keep mixing until it's nice and combined, and once it's slightly cooled down, we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. We're going to add our sugar, our fragrance, vitamin E, etc. Okay, so let's check the temperature again. It's coming down. We're going to add our vitamin E, our fragrance. So vitamin E is 0.5 grams. We're going to add our fragrance. We're adding honeyed lavender and amber glow, 2 grams. Since it's going to come in contact with water, we're going to just add a bit of preservative. Preservative, 1 gram. You don't need to add preservative, but there's no harm. So let's mix this together, and then we're gonna go in and add our sugar. So we're adding 30 grams of sugar. Mix that together. Smells so good. Okay, let's set this to the side. All right, so we're gonna bring our mold and sanitize the mold. And let me just scrape the side. This probably will fit into 2 molds. I wonder if I should try a different mold. Okay, now let's try this. Let's try to get it into the mold. Can you see it? Perfect. That's 1 mold. Okay. Awesome. So we're gonna let this set for about 24 hours, and then it'll be ready for us to use. Okay, so this is our body scrub bar. It looks absolutely amazing. It's really, really pretty. This side I could have smoothed down a little bit more, but due to the texture of the product, it made it a little bit difficult. But doesn't this look pretty from this side? So I'm going to use this. I'm going to actually test this out at some point this week, myself and my husband, just to see how this works and see if I prefer this to just using a normal body scrub. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. guys, welcome back to Moneo Pura. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Monica. I am the owner of Moneo Pura. I run this business alongside my husband Daniel from our flat in London. He works on the creative aspect of the business, the website, the social media aspects, etc. Okay, so this is what the bar is looking like. It looks really good. It feels good. I haven't actually tried it yet, but my husband did. He said it was absolutely amazing. He loves the way it lathers as it's exfoliated, as he loves the way it lathers as it exfoliates the skin. So he said he actually preferred it to using a body scrub, and I think it's because of the lathering feel to it and not leaving a lot of mess with the scrubs all over the place. I personally prefer body scrubs, but I haven't tried this yet, so I'm gonna try it and see how I find it. So if you guys made it this far, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, smash the notification bell, leave me a comment below. If you have any questions, follow us on all our socials, shop our website monopure.com. Really appreciate you guys making it this far. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.